Here I have Motorola Moto E22, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you can enable timestamp and also Moto E22 watermark. And now let's take a photo just for an example to see how this watermark will look like. And as you can see, here I have shot on Moto E22 and also today's time stamp and date. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.